In this video I will tell you that how to update the AMD graphics drivers on Windows 10. So I will show you two ways. Okay, so first of all, if you have installed the AMD graphics card and you have installed and you have also installed the drivers on it, you will right click on your PC and tap on the AMD software. Okay, so you will see this kind of interface here, and if there is any update to your current drivers, then you will see that update here, and you just have to press the update option and this software will automatically update for you. And you have to note the name of your card. Okay, so in this my case, this is the Radeon RX 560 series. Okay, so now I will show you the second method. Okay, then how you will open up the internet and you will type for AMD drivers here, and then you will tap on AMD drivers and support. Okay, so then then you have to search it for. So let's suppose that I want to actually update the graphics here. So what is the name of my GPU? It's Radeon RX 560 series. So you will search for RX 560 series here. So here is this one, Radeon 500 series. Okay, so I will tap on this one and Radeon RX 500 series, and then here I have Radeon RX 560 series. Okay, so then I will submit it, and then it will show me different softwares too. So then you have to actually select your operating system. So in my case, my operating system is Windows 10 64-bit. I will tap on this plus icon here, and now here you can see that I have all these latest versions of my software here. And you can also use the auto detect and install software from AMD, and what this software will do is this will actually automatically detects whenever a new version of drivers are there. They will automatically update it for you. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.